Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to fix app crashes on the Infinix Note Edge. So if you have been experiencing app crashes lately, so for example most of your apps are just crashing and closing by themselves or freezing, there are a few things that you can do to fix that. Now, the first thing that we can do is go to Settings, tap on App Management, App List, and then select the app that you've been having problems with. So let's select Google Chrome, for example. And then we're going to go to Storage and Cache. And here we're going to tap on Clear Cache, like that. And once you've done that, it's going to clear the cache that has been saved, which might have been conflicting with the app, and it's going to empty it up. Now, as you can see, we have 0 cache if we clear it, and now we can open up the app and check if it's working properly. The next thing that you can try is to force close the app if it has frozen and, for example, doesn't respond in any way. And to do that, we can just select the app that we want, hold on it like this, tap on App Info, and select Force Stop, and click OK. And now that you force stop the app, it's fully closed down, and you can open it back up again. And then the last thing that you can try is just fully deleting the app by holding on it, pressing remove, and then going down to the app drawer right here, and then holding on it again and selecting delete. This app isn't really deletable off the phone, so let's do something else like Instagram. There we go. We can tap on uninstall and delete the app, and then just reinstall it again by going to the Play Store and install it from there. So this is how you address the app specifically, but if every single app is crashing and like something's not working, it might be a problem with your RAM or storage. So what you can do is open up the settings, then tap on Infinix Note Edge on the top and selecting storage. So here it shows you the storage of your phone and how much is taken up. So right now I only have 9% taken up my storage, but if you have more, like 100%, 99%, just fully filled up, this might be causing the app crashes. So you're probably gonna have to free up some space. You can do like 10% less, so like 90% of the storage, but you do need to free it up a little. Then we also have the RAM option. So if you go to RAM, we have a few options. So for example, if you have this Memfusion option on, which allows you to have some virtual RAM, try to close it down, or like try to disable the option, so, and that may help you with the apps crashing issue. Or the other way around, if the apps are crashing and you do not have this feature on, try turning it on and seeing if that works. So to enable it or disable it, you can just click on Memfusion like that on the toggle, and it's going to ask you if you want to restart the phone. And once it's restarted, it's going to be enabled or disabled, and that is pretty much it. So thank you for watching this video. I hope it helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.